This ultrasonic cleaner is so good, you guys. Look at these glasses. Look at the filth and grime literally just seeping out of it. This thing is amazing. It's nice and long, so it fits glasses. It fits a bunch of jewelry at a time, sunglasses. So let me kind of show you how I do it. So it has a little charger here. You unhook that when you fill it up with water. There is a max line, so make sure you keep it below that max line. I use water, and then you can use a little bit of cleaner if you have it. Otherwise, water works honestly just as fine as well. And you place whatever you're trying to clean in there. My glasses are huge, so what I do is I will position them in two ways. I'll start it, let it go for a couple minutes, and then reposition it so like the top part can also get cleaned. But even right now, this is just with water, no cleaner in there. You can see the grime start to come off from my sunglasses, and it is so disgusting but so satisfying. And it's so simple to use. Literally, you can place so many different things that you need cleaned in here. Okay, so this is obviously the first rotation, and if you are like having something that's super dirty or maybe your first time cleaning it, you can do a second cycle run too. But you guys, look how dirty this water is. So I will dump it out, replace it with clean water here, so then I can do my second rotation of my sunglasses. Already they're looking so much better, so much cleaner. Sunglasses, I feel like, are so hard to get nice and clean. Even like the little smudges are so hard to wipe with your wipe. But this ultrasonic cleaner gets all of those little spots and the grime and all of those things. So here are my glasses. They're all done. They're so clean. They're spotless. I love this thing, you guys. It works so amazing. And the brand actually sent it to me to test out. And I was blown away with how good it was. So love it.